Presentation, we'll take a look at some performance concepts of managing network traffic. And the first approach is what's known as traffic shaping, also sometimes referred to as packet shaping. But the idea behind this is to regulate network data transfers to ensure a certain level of performance and or quality of service. Now, it does so by prioritizing various traffic streams, meaning that certain packets can actually be delayed because they're deemed to be less important. Now, what might that actually look like? Well, if you are communicating within any given network environment, there may be certain things that quite simply demand better performance. If you are, for example, having a video conference, then that should probably have higher priority than sending an email. It's not critical if that email arrives 5 seconds later or even a few minutes later. But video conferencing, if those packets are delayed, then everything gets garbled up and really becomes difficult to understand. So you can imagine that the video conference is quite simply a higher priority type of transmission. Therefore, we can shape the traffic to give priority to those packets. So, some other examples, really, when it comes to any time sensitive data, that might be considered a little higher priority. Another example might be voice over IP systems. Any business related traffic that is simply deemed to be a little more important than anything else. It is more important for me to post this file to my web server than it is to submit a print job, things like that. And internet service providers might use this, particularly if the traffic is being shaped for an independent reseller, someone who is reselling their service for a specific purpose. Throttling bandwidth for certain applications. Again, based on the application, you can say, well, this one has a higher priority than that one. You can also implement two-tiered internet services, a regular subscription or a premium subscription. And of course, those who pay more get faster service. It's prioritized for the premium subscription. The next one is called quality of service, or QoS, and this is a measurement of overall performance for networks based on things like transmission rates and error rates. And in essence, it's just trying to put it all together, if you will, to try to improve things like traffic shaping so we can better understand how the packets are actually being transferred, so we can